In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly record a bank deposit in QuickBooks Online using the intuitive steps you'll soon master. Whether you're a small business owner, a bookkeeper, or anyone responsible for managing finances, QuickBooks makes the whole process infinitely more approachable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open QuickBooks Online. Simply navigate to the homepage by visiting the site in your web browser, which should look familiar if you've been here before. Once you're logged in, on the dashboard's top right corner, you'll notice a button labeled New. Clicking on that button opens up a world of options, where we'll take our next step. Here in the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Bank Deposit. This will guide you to a detailed form where you can input your deposit details. It's seamlessly integrated into QuickBooks, making your workflow much smoother. The form is structured to ensure every important detail is captured, offering you full control over how your financial records are maintained. Now that you're on the bank deposit page, the first thing to do is to select the bank account you're about depositing into. You'll find this option under a label that simply says Account. Clicking here allows you to choose from the list of bank accounts that are already linked with your QuickBooks. Be sure to choose the right account to avoid any mix-ups in your financial tracking. Next, there's a field marked Memo. This is where you can enter any specifics about the deposit. This little text box is a great place to add any notes that can later serve as a reminder or explanation about the nature of the deposit. It's a best practice to be as clear and descriptive as possible here. Then, look for the Highlight section. While this might seem optional, highlighting important transactions can be extremely helpful. It serves as a way to tag or draw attention to particular deposits which might need a follow-up or are different from your usual transactions. Moving along, there's a section labeled Received From. This part is crucial as it lets you specify who the deposit is from. You can select a name from your list of customers or clients that are already in the QuickBooks system. If it's a new payee, there's an option to add them as well. Following this is the Description field. This is where you can detail what the deposit is related to, which can maintain organized records. Again, specificity here can prevent confusion later on. Lastly, you'll come to the Payment Method section. This allows you to specify how the payment was made, whether it's by cash, check, or any other method. Correctly documenting this ensures that your records reflect accurate payment information. And there you have it. You've just recorded a bank deposit in QuickBooks effortlessly. With each detail carefully captured, you can maintain precise financial records with ease. I hope this guide has simplified the process for you. Stay organized and see you in the next video.